Hello, good morning, and good afternoon, fellow crafters. Welcome to this week's episode of Curbside Crafting, and you are right on time. This week in story time, we talked about something that we never want to do. We don't want to be late. Of course, we always want to be right on time and telling time, although it might seem at first like it's a little bit scary and maybe a little hard. This craft that you will make is going to make it so much easier for you. So this is what your finished craft is going to look like. It is a clock that you can actually move the hands on. And what you're going to get when you come by the library to pick up your supplies, whether you come inside to get them or give us a call from the parking lot so we can bring them out to you, you will get these 3 pieces of paper. This one, of course, is the clock face. You can do it this way or this way, whichever way you would prefer it to look. You are also going to get this sheet of paper that has circles on it, 12 of them in fact, with numbers on them. And then, of course, your hands. The short one is the hour hand and the long one is the minute hand. So what you're going to do, you're color in your number circles and then just place them on the face of the clock wherever they go. And then you will take a little brass fastener. It's kind of hard to see maybe on camera, but you will put that through the little tiny holes right there on your minute hand and hour hand, and then put it right in the very center of your clock, and then open up the back like that. And then you can actually turn the hour and the minute hand both. And I bet your grown-ups will be super excited to help you learn how to tell time. It is very important to know how to do if you don't want to be late. Especially you don't want to be late for story time, right? Have a wonderful day and we will see you soon. Bye.